Hello everybody, welcome back here again with some log problems. So the goal of today's video is to show you how to use the change of base formula to allow you to solve for this logarithm. So why do we need the change of base formula? Because it's really tough and almost impossible on most calculators, some calculators, to input a log that is not, let's say this is log base, log of 80. That is not a base 10. So for those of you that don't remember, if you omit, meaning if you don't have the base here, you are assuming it to be log base 10. And your calculator will most of the time only allow you to do log base, of whatever number you want to solve for. But it's always assumed to be log base 10. So if I ask you to solve for this right now, essentially telling you to tell me 6 to the what power gives me 8. Well, we know it's not going to be 1 or 2 or 3 because 6 to the 1 is 6, not 8. 6 to the 2 is 36. And 6 to the 3 is definitely not 8. So we need to use or apply the change of base formula. So change of base. And what this does is exactly what it tells you in the title. It changes the base. So this log base 6 of 8, we will apply the formula, the change of base formula, and write this instead. Log base 10. I'll write it here just because I want you to get the point, but we typically don't write 10 if the base is 10. Of this number inside, of 8, divided by log base 10, of course I'm writing it down for example only, of the base now, what used to be the base. So I'll highlight these numbers. 8 is now in here, and in blue, dark blue, we'll make base 6 is now here. And now when you input this into your calculator, you would say log of 8, and then whatever that number is, or you can do it all in one line, divided by log of 6. And this answer, whatever that number is, this would be the same as if you were to go to one of those online calculators and plug this in directly with a base of 6. And that is the change of base formula. So let's do it again one more time, just so you can ingrain it in your brain. And we use a different color, green. If I say log base 4 of 16. And I made this one a little bit easier because we know that 4 to the x is equal to 16. What is 4? Well, 4 times 4 is 16, so we know x is equal to 2. So we know the answer is 2, okay? But let's change the base because our calculator cannot take in a base that is not 10. So let's change it regardless, even though we can intuitively, analyze the situation and figure out that the answer is 2. So if we apply the change of base formula, it's log base 10, so I won't write it this time, of inside number, 16, divided by log base 10 of 4. And when we plug this into our calculator, the answer will end up being 2. So I hope that made sense. I hope the change of base formula is a little bit clearer. If it's not, reach out and I'll try my best. But with that being said, have a nice day, guys. Good luck on your test. Goodbye.